Hey guys, this is Forecast 100. Right now I'm doing an update on the impact of what should be Nicole. It's not Nicole right now, but it's looking, it looks like an elongated area of low pressure currently, but in here there's a tight little bundle of joy, I guess, and it's gonna bring possibly 50 to 60 mile an hour winds, 25-foot waves to the North Carolina Outer Banks area. It's going to be a heck of a storm up and through the entire Northeast. Potentially anywhere from 5 to 7 inches of rain in the interior sections, maybe even more than that locally. It's the big flooding threat for one, but secondly, behind this there's going to be a fairly large cool shot that'll come down after this. Basically what I'm expecting, I'm not expecting much, but I'm just thinking that's because some of the models are being consistent on a few snow flurries breaking out either late Sunday night or early Monday morning across the extreme northeast areas like northern New York, maybe getting into Pennsylvania or something like that. I'm not expecting anything like that, but maybe just a few any accumulations or anything, but maybe just a few flakes falling from the sky. If I could speak today, I'd actually be able to tell you guys what I'm trying to say, but okay, so basically what we got going on here is just a very dangerous weather pattern setting up, because there's going to be a lot of rain in this area, a lot of flooding, really strong winds, high waves along the entire eastern seaboard. So basically anyone from South Carolina, well, you know what, South Carolina might be out of it because they're on the western side of this, but anywhere from North Carolina up through Boston probably needs to be watching this pretty closely, because this is going to bring you guys a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and a lot of potential flooding. So basically what I'm expecting from this system is it's right here right about now. Let me increase the size of that a little bit. But basically, it's right here, right about now, and it's going to move up like this. And so basically, anywhere from here to this area is going to see significant amounts of rain all in here. Very heavy rain falling, probably anywhere, like I said, from 5 to 7 inches in this area, and then probably maybe some light snow flurries after it's all said and done in this area. No accumulations, like I said, just maybe the first flakes of the season. I mean, it's not unheard of, it's not unusual or anything to see it in October, but just maybe something to get out and see in the early morning. But there's going to be a big flooding threat in here. Oh, and then another thing I wanted to tell you guys is October 13th, it looks like some of the models are exploding an area of low pressure right. Wow, that was the worst L ever, huh? And so exploding an area of low pressure here, and absolutely making this a really deep system right in here, and bringing down a tremendous cold shot around the 13th of October. That would be Wednesday, I do believe, the 13th of October. And I'm thinking this the next big system, which that's probably going to be the next big system, it's going to be pretty interesting to watch what happens. I mean, some of the models like the GFS always wigs out on everything. The GFS has highs only in the 50s on that date, all the way down into Houston, so it's like, oh wow, that's interesting. And then the GFS also has a bunch of snow in Springfield on the 13th of October. I do not think that's going to happen. It's probably going to bring us a big cool shot, though. I will tell you that much. It's probably going to bring a lot of the nation their first frost, probably all the way down into Dallas, but that's not for another 2 weeks or so. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that, because fall is getting here, and winter will be getting off to a fast start as we approach the end of October, early November. I kind of messed up on my last winter forecast. I didn't do the northeast section, which I should have, so I took that video down. I'm going to be posting up a new video if you guys want to check that out, because I got some emails from some people telling me, hey, you didn't do the northeast, and I was like, ah, crap, so I got to do that. Well, alright guys, this is Weathercast 100. See